Namaskar, I'm Meena Bhatnagar. This time I have taken a question on litigation. Litigation can be very difficult, very lengthy, and very expensive. There are civil litigations which go on for years and are very difficult to make a prediction when they will end. Sometimes litigation involves imprisonment and the native's family loved ones seek the bail. So I have taken a question on the bail. My question is on a very current subject, and the question is that will Arya Khan get a bail tomorrow on 28th October? I had asked this question on 27th of October 2021 at 3 p.m. 13 minutes and 52 seconds. The longitudes and latitudes are mentioned, so they are from USA, and so the timing would be on 26th of October. So the question was on 26th of October that will Aryan Khan get bail. So if you are making a prashna, you'll have to put the timings and latitudes and longitude as mentioned in the chart, and that is visible on the screen. So Krishnamurti Paddhati has a very simple rules, and if you follow the rules, you can find the answer very accurately. The rule for bail is that 12th sublord. Now 12th sublord means 12th Kaspal sublord. The 12th house is a house of physical undoing, which means it's also the house of death. But that is in the question of death or in the natal chart. But apart from that, 12th house has many meanings. Foreign travels from 12th house, expenses on 12th house, and also imprisonment and hospitalizations. So if someone is in prison, the 12th house becomes an important house because it's a house of isolation. Imprisonment or the hospitalization means separating a person from the society. Excuse me. So here in the question, the 12th house must relate to the 4th house. The 4th house is the house where the native lives. In the natal chart, it becomes the house, the property house or the house. And the second house, which is the family, because once one leaves in prison, he comes back to his own house and the family. The rule is very simple that the 12th house must relate to the 4th and the 2nd. So I have taken this question and I'm explaining. So this question is more for the people who read astrology and especially follow the Krishnamurti Paddhati. So 12th house sublord, as you can see, is Mercury. And Mercury, you can see the cursor, the Mercury is the 12th house sublord, and he is posited or placed in the 11th house in the Rashi chart. The Krishnamurti Paddhati has only two charts to read, that is the Rashi chart and the Bhava chart. So Mercury in the Bhava chart has taken the 10th house. The 10th house is the house of judgment. The 9th is the judgment, but 10th is what is the judgment given? Is it in favor? Because that is the final decision. So Mercury in Rashi chart is in the 9th house and he goes in the 10th house and becomes a favorable. Mercury has the aspect of Jupiter, that is the lord of 2nd house, and in Bhava chart the lord of the 4th house. Now that becomes in the first step itself, we find that Mercury has related to the 2nd and the 4th house and fulfills the rule of promise of the bail. Apart from that, on the 2nd level, Mercury is in the star of moon, that is in the 8th house. Now 8th house is here because the court case is not fully concluded. It will still stay pending. Mercury also relates to Venus, that is in the Lagna, and Venus has taken the 11th house as well. So 11th house is also the house of wishfulness. So that means that the native will get bail. So this is a very simple rule and a very simple way to find out the query whether the native will get bail. Now my question was very time specific. It was not a general bail because ultimately we knew that he will get a bail. My question was very time specific, that will he get bail tomorrow? And we see that clearly happening. So you can ask a prashna in general or you can ask a time bound. So if the time bound indicates delay, then there will be delay. But if it is in a simple question where we see that will he get bail and it promises, then it is yes, but then you have to look at dashas. In my book, Unlocking Time Prediction of Krishnamurti Paddhati, or I have also translated it in Hindi, which is Samay Ka Purvalokan, Krishnamurti Paddhati ke dwara. I have put the book in two ways, two parts. The first part is finding the event, because till the event is not promised and we don't see the event unfolding, there is no point going further. So the first part is always, will the event happen? So we see that he will get a bail. The second part is always to look at the dasha and see, does the dasha support? So in this case, as I just mentioned, that I was very time specific and I had asked it for the next day. We don't have to look at the dasha. But if you are not specific in the question, then you can see whether the dashas support or not. So to round it up, the simple rule that 12th sublord should signify the second and fourth to get a bail. And we see that it is signifying the second and the fourth house. And also it is the third house. The Jupiter sitting in third house also indicates that there is going to be movement, and Venus, the 11th house lord, indicates that the wish will be fulfilled. The other point is that who can ask a question? That's another thing. So according to Krishnamurti Paddhati, or even in the Vedic Jyotish, anyone can ask any question, but it should mean a lot to the person. Here in this query, I am not in any way related to Aryan Khan or Shah Rukh Khan, but as a student of astrology, I was keen to know whether he will get a bail, and I do find answers. So this is a divine science, and if you want to ask a question about anyone, you can ask, but your intent should be pure, because this is a divine knowledge and we only seek the goodwill and benefit or beneficence for others. We don't seek anything bad, any maleficence for other people. That is the justified good use of any kind of divine science. So thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel. Please press the bell icon to get more new videos. Thanks again. Namaskar.